Introduction to hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It leads to dark patches or spots on the skin caused primarily by excessive melanin production. But what triggers this overproduction of melanin? It can be anything from sun exposure and hormonal changes to pesky acne scars and even minor skin injuries. Today, we're diving deep into 3 highly effective home remedies that can help you tackle hyperpigmentation naturally. Plus, we'll explore the science behind each remedy and how you can easily integrate them into your skincare routine. Remedy 1. Lemon juice, the natural skin brightener. The first remedy, and one of my all-time favorites, is simple yet powerful: lemon juice. Lemon, it's a natural skin brightener that's been used for ages. Lemon juice is popular for its natural bleaching properties, thanks to its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerhouse for collagen synthesis, which is crucial for keeping your skin firm and radiant. It's also a great antioxidant that helps with skin healing and fighting free radicals that can damage your skin cells. When applied topically, lemon juice acts as an exfoliant. Its citric acid helps slough off dead skin cells and inhibits tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for melanin production. But here's a tip you can't miss. Lemon juice can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight, making you more prone to sunburn. That's why it's best to use it at night and always follow up with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. So, how do you use this effectively? It's simple. Take some fresh lemon juice, dilute it with a bit of water, and apply it to the affected area. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. For best results, do this 2 to 3 times a week. You'll start noticing a difference soon. Just remember, consistency is key. Before we move on, if you're enjoying these tips so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who need this information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more skincare tips and tricks. Now, let's get back to our remedies. Remedy 2. Aloe vera, the soothing healer. Moving on to remedy number 2, aloe vera, the soothing healer. Herb aloe vera isn't just a plant you keep in your garden, it's a skincare superstar. It's known for inhibiting tyrosinase 2, which helps reduce melanin production. But that's not all. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties that are amazing for calming down irritated skin, making it perfect for treating post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, especially those dark spots left behind after a breakout. Its hydrating properties help improve skin texture, keeping your skin looking plump and fresh. Using aloe vera is simple. Take fresh aloe vera gel straight from the leaf, trust me, nothing beats the real stuff, and apply it to your dark spots. Leave it on overnight for optimal absorption, and wash it off in the morning. If you make this a part of your nightly routine, you'll start to see noticeable results over time. It's gentle enough to use daily, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. The best part? Aloe vera works well on all skin types, so you can get in on the magic no matter your skin concerns. Remedy 3. Turmeric, the ancient antioxidant. And last but certainly not least, we have turmeric, my personal favorite powerhouse ingredient. Glowing Star turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Curcumin doesn't just reduce melanin production by inhibiting tyrosinase activity, it also works wonders on brightening your skin tone and evening out your complexion. Turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, especially in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, known for its skin-enhancing properties. It's like nature's little secret to glowing skin. So, how do you use turmeric effectively? There are 2 easy ways to make a turmeric mask. Mix turmeric powder with honey or yogurt to create a smooth paste. Both honey and yogurt have their own skin benefits. Honey is an excellent moisturizer with antibacterial properties, while yogurt contains lactic acid that helps gently exfoliate the skin. Apply the mixture to the affected areas, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to see your skin transform. Final thoughts: consistency is key. While these home remedies can definitely help reduce hyperpigmentation, patience and consistency are crucial. Natural treatments take time to show visible results, but they're worth it. Plus, they're free from the harsh chemicals that can sometimes irritate your skin. Remember, the best way to prevent further hyperpigmentation is by using a high-quality sunscreen daily. Sun face, think of it as your skin's shield against harmful UV rays. Combine this with a balanced skincare routine, and you'll be well on your way to a brighter, more even complexion. Share your experience. So, which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. These simple solutions can save you money, deliver great results, and leave your skin looking beautiful and glowing. And if you know someone who's struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone, share this video with them. They'll thank you for it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And remember, with a little bit of self-care and consistency, a radiant, healthy, and even complexion is within your reach. This is Narrative Nexus, wishing you a wonderful journey towards beautiful, glowing skin.